was Cardiff so special to me? God, you're going to be here for a day listening to me.
Cardiff has always got a place in your heart, I think, and it's definitely got a place in mine.
I had the most incredible time here, had so many opportunities, learned so much both inside a lecture theatre but also outside.
I've still got loads of friends from Cardiff. And when I walk into a room and they're there, I feel 19 again. And those friendships haven't changed. And I would say to the graduates today, you must cherish those friendships because it's an amazing place to make friends for life.
I also had a ton of fun. I mean, it's a city I grew up in, I knew it already. But it was just a real joy to spend 12 months with students from around the country. Do something that gives you joy.
It was transformational for me. It really launched me. It brought out my entire worth. It showed me, it shined a torchlight on my own brilliance that I didn't know I had in me.
Be resilient. You'll have knockbacks coming into or trying to come into this profession, but it's absolutely worth it to carry on.
Store up the memories of the people that they will help along the way, and they will. They will heal people, they will enhance lives. They have to store those memories and let them build their whole career.
When they leave here, take a little of Cardiff with them wherever they are in the world. And because each of us is unique, to always believe that we can change the world. Sometimes it seems overwhelming. You know, we live in such dangerous times. We live in uncertain times. What I wanted to say to them was, you can do it. In a small way, you can change the world.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, class of 2023.
Llongyfarchiadau!
Congratulations!
Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations.
Congratulations!
I would love to welcome all of the graduates from today to the Cardiff alumni community. We crop up everywhere.